Want a greener lawn? Let's adjust your Toro sprinkler heads the right way. First, turn off your irrigation system before touching the sprinkler heads. Look closely at the sprinkler head to see the current spray pattern. Remove any dirt or grass blocking the sprinkler adjustment parts. The nozzle and adjustment screw control how the water spreads. Use a screwdriver to make small changes to the spray distance. Turning the screw can increase or decrease the water coverage area. Test the sprinkler after each adjustment to check the results. Next, adjust the spray direction to match your lawn shape. Rotate the sprinkler head carefully to aim the water where needed. Make sure the spray does not hit sidewalks or unwanted areas. A good sprinkler setup keeps water focused on your grass. Check for dry spots that may need more coverage. Also watch for areas receiving too much water. Adjust nearby Toro sprinkler heads for balanced watering. Small changes can improve your entire irrigation system. Always keep the sprinkler head level with the lawn surface. A properly positioned head gives better spray performance. After adjustments, turn the irrigation system back on. Walk around your yard and observe the water coverage. Make final tweaks if some areas still need improvement. Consistent watering helps your lawn stay healthy and green. Remember to adjust slowly instead of making big changes. Your Toro sprinkler system should now cover your yard better. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more DIY home tips.